Real estate. In real estate, location is an important factor. That is, buying a house or apartment or a piece of land in a growing area. That is where there is a possibility of colleges or schools or factory coming up. So that will fetch you very good returns. Okay. And see the second point, illiquid. So we cannot easily sell real estate and convert the asset into cash. So real estate is an illiquid asset. Third point is not a divisible asset. That is, say for example, let us take shares. If I have 100 shares, I can even sell one share or two shares or three shares. So that is what we mean by divisibility. But in real estate, we cannot sell like I want to sell only 1 square feet. I want to sell only 2 square feet. That is not possible. So we need to sell a minimum space. So only then buyers will be available. So it is not a divisible asset. And real estate can be held in physical form as well as financial form. Physical form is you are buying real estate like a house or apartment or piece of land, okay, and you are holding it. And financial form is you are not directly investing in real estate, rather you are choosing real estate mutual funds. So you give money to mutual funds, they invest in real estate, and you get the holding in units. So that is financial form. And there are two possibilities of income in real estate. One is there is a possibility of rental income, and over a period of time the capital will appreciate, the price will appreciate. So that is capital appreciation. And the drawback of real estate is the transaction cost. So normally, each state government, they levy stamp duty, and similarly, in case of house, we have to maintain it by regular painting or whatever it is. So there are transaction cost and maintenance cost. So this is about real estate as an asset class. And examination point, you can expect questions like they will give you some 3 or 4 asset class, and they will ask you which one is illiquid or which is not a divisible asset. So these are possible ways of asking question.